Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Taurus. Let's see what's going to happen for Taurus in the month of August. This is a general reading, so you just want to remember that it's not going to resonate with everyone out there. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel, as I post monthly and possibly bonus readings for all the signs. And yes, let's start. Let's see what's happening for Taurus in their love life in the month of August. First, I will pull out 3 cards for your person's feeling. Then I'll pull out 3 cards for your feelings, and I will clarify as necessary. Okay, let's see what's happening for Taurus in the month of Let's see what's happening for Taurus in the month of August. The Sun, 5 of Cups, maybe dealing with a water sign. Another water sign, 9 of Cups. These are your person's feelings. Now we will see what you're going through. 5 of Wands, maybe dealing with a fire sign. Page of Pentacles, 3 of Wands, and the mutual feeling is Queen of Pentacles. Okay. So Taurus, what I'm seeing here is the person you're dealing with is kind of not being able to express how they feel in the month of August. They will find it really difficult to express how they really feel for you. Okay, a lot of hidden feelings, a lot of unexpressed emotions, okay, from your person's side, and you are like waiting for this person. You are waiting for this person to express their feeling, and maybe in month of August you will find this person is not expressing much. Okay, or maybe it is also quite possible that you have some things to sort out at your side, maybe your family issues or the work issues, and this person is sort of feeling happy and sad both at a times. Okay, so month of August is going to be a little confusing, because sometimes you will feel things are going quite right, and sometimes you will feel as if things are not going quite right. They are feeling distant, and sometimes they are being too happy and like dreams coming true. Okay, so a mixed burst of feelings you're going to see in the month of August with this person. Your person is going to be quite moody. They will talk when they feel happy, and they won't when they don't feel so, because the Sun and 5 of Cups both are quite contradicting energies. One is sort of feeling depressed and sad, and feeling left out, and the other one is quite happy-go-lucky, right? Two feelings contradicting here. Okay, I'm also seeing you want to connect to this person in month of August. You will be waiting for this person, and you even might be spying on this person in month of August. Okay, but you don't have much to offer to this person, so it is quite possible that some of your actions, like some things going at your side, might keep this person a little distant. They won't express much, they won't show much interest. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing here, quite contradicting scenario. It is quite possible some things are going on your side. Maybe you're too busy with your work. Maybe you are surrounded by a lot of people. Maybe they feel as if there is a lot of competition going on your side. Maybe they had to compete with someone to get to you. So they feel as if you are hard to reach, and you are like waiting for this person. Okay, so take it however it resonates with you, because these energies can be vice versa. Maybe this is you, how you're feeling, and this person is feeling the opposite. Okay, but with the mutual feeling, what I see here is both of you are missing and cherishing every moment you spend together. You both want to be together. You both want to have to talk to each other, communicate, engage with each other. This is what mutually you both feel like. okay. But the thing is, maybe this person feels as if they have to compete with many people to get your attention. Maybe there are many people involved and interested in you, okay. Or it is their misunderstanding what they have created about you. Like, you have many people to talk to, you have many people, those who like you. So that is going to happen in month of August. A lot of trust issues, a lot of hot and cold behavior in and out. So this is kind of going to happen in month of August, okay. Sometimes you will feel as if this person is pouring their love to you, and sometimes you will feel as if they are being too cold and distant, okay. I do feel this person feels as if you don't have much to offer to this person. Like, you come up with a very short offer or with some very little things to offer to this person. So this kind of stresses them out, okay. Yeah, maybe they want something more out of you, or maybe this is you who wants more out of this person, and they are not giving you much, what all of what you need, okay. Maybe this is attention, time, or maybe the love you always wanted. So some things are not quite going like this person wanted, so they are keeping their feelings inside. But you are like a wish come true to this person, okay. You are as if they always wished of having you, and now when you are with them, they are seeing all the faults and all the little loopholes that are there, like all the things that aren't necessary to be focused upon, okay. So with this page, Queen of Pentacles, what I feel is you both are missing. Yeah, like maybe you both are separated from each other, not talking to each other. You are not offering anything to this person, like maybe they want commitment from you and you're not saying yes to that. Or maybe this person is quite hopeless about some things in about this relationship. So that is what is happening with this Six of Pentacles. What I feel here is you both are giving a little attention to each other. So both are expecting too much, but what is coming out up front is very little. None of you are offering a lot in this relationship. None of you are investing a lot. Like, you both have to beg for each other's attention. So there is a constant push and pull that is you are going to see in month of August, okay. With the Tower card, with the mutual feelings, what I see here is maybe something very drastic is going to happen in August. Maybe you both are going to realize some things, okay, which are not necessarily bad, but for the moment they seem bad, okay. They may seem bad for the moment, they may seem like you are drifting away from each other, but they are necessary to bring you closer to each other emotionally. So that is going to happen. Maybe you're dealing with a Scorpio, okay. Let me clarify some cards. Why is Five of Cups here? Why is Five of Cups here? Okay, King of Swords. So maybe they don't want, though they don't feel as if they feel as if there is no equal give and take in this relationship. So they don't want to invest much into this relationship. But I see them coming out of this depressive energy and fighting for this relationship in near future. Okay, it might happen at the end of August maybe for many of you. But that is going to happen. They are going to fight for you. They are going to fight for this connection. What is this Nine of Cups about? Yeah, Queen of Wands. So with this Nine of Cups, with this Queen of Wands clarifying the Nine of Cups, what I see here is they will come up with the action. Maybe they are not taking any action from a very long time. They are just waiting there and seeing from afar what you're doing, watching you. But now they will take the charge and come up. Okay, they will come up front, like have an heart-to-heart communication with you for many of you. What is the Six of Pentacles about? Four of Wands. Yeah, I think you both want completion, you both want the stability, you both want to be grounded and together. But the thing is, you both don't invest much into this relationship, which is going to happen like at the month of in the month of August, at the end of the month. This is what you're going to get out of this whole scenario. Okay, completion, stability. But if you invest a little bit more, that will happen quicker. Okay, maybe in the next second half of the month. Okay, what is this Queen of Pentacles about? Okay, Princess of Pentacles. So you both feel as if you have everything, but you don't have this person. Like this feeling of incompleteness, this feeling of loss, this feeling of missing the other person, it is what you're going to feel in this month of August. What is this Tower about? Please clarify me. What is this Tower about? Why is this Tower here? Three of Wands. Maybe for many of you this was a third party situation, or maybe dealing with many people at a time, and that has caused a lot of distress, and made you distant from each other. Or maybe some clarity you're going to gain in month of August. Okay, that is going to shook you off. Okay, so why is this Three of Wands here? Yeah, I think this Three of Pentacles clarifying the Three of Wands. I see your person and you, preferably you, I see you wanting to invest into this relationship, working on this relationship, and making it happen for both of you. Okay, what is this Five of Wands about? Seven of Swords. Maybe someone was interfering into this relationship from your side, your friends or family, or anyone. Like this was causing all the distress into the relationship, and the misunderstanding that is caused is coming from the outside. It is not within yourself. Like you both were okay, but someone from the outside just messed it up. Okay, just created misunderstandings, messed it up, and not allowing you both to come back together. Okay, let's see what advice do we have for Taurus in the month of August. What advice do we have for Taurus in the month of August? Quest. Be bold and mighty forces will aid you. Take action. Good luck favors the brave. So what I see here is you don't need to be sad, you don't need to be depressed, you don't need to give up on this person. Be show your willingness to make this relationship right, is what I'm seeing here. Take action. Good luck will favor you. Okay, if you take the charge, good luck will definitely favor you, and universe is guiding you to do that. Gentleness. Strength is gentle, true kindness has wings, love in action endures. So what I see with this message from universe is that you need to be gentle, you need to be strength holds gentleness. Okay, so you need to be gentle with yourself, with your feelings, with the person you are dealing, and maybe you're too harsh on yourself, maybe you're too harsh with this person, maybe you're not trusting this person. So you need to be gentle, you need to be understanding, you need to show empathy and kindness to this person and everyone generally around you. Maybe you're not showing it quite right, doing it right. Okay, so you need to be gentle, and you need to be kind to everyone that are in your life. Okay, so this was it. Now let's see what I will pull some cards from 5 cards from this handwritten messages. Okay, let's see what advice do we have for Taurus. It might be from any area of your life. Okay, the first one is rich family. Maybe you're going to meet someone, or this person you're dealing with comes from a very rich family. Okay, belief. You need to reconsider what you're believing, and you need to work on what you believe. Adjust. Okay, peacefulness. Okay, peacefulness is going to come in your relationship and overall in your life in August. So yeah, water sign, maybe you're dealing with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I told you with the Tower card there. Good news is coming. Maybe it can be from any area of your life, does not need to be from your love life. Okay, and the last message is shifting. I told you something is shifting. Tremendous changes you're going to see in August. Yeah, you're going to see action, you're going to see a lot of passion, a newfound love, a newfound passion for this relationship. So yes, this was it for Taurus. I hope you liked this reading. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.